Have you ever been frustrated with video generators that make you wait forever or produce mediocre results? Imagine a tool that's not only totally free but also delivers stunning videos in just minutes. Welcome to Grow with ESA. I've just found a totally free video generator that challenges the big players in the market. You might already know that platforms like Vidul AI are excellent at video generation, but their free plans can be unbearable. Sometimes, you have to wait over 24 hours for a video, and even then, the result might not meet your expectations. One amazing feature of this tool is that it can make AI influencers dance in a realistic way without any weird distortions. I'll also show you an easy trick to get unlimited credits without creating multiple accounts. So make sure to watch till the end. Let's get started. This is the free video generator I've been talking about, and you'll soon see why I'm so impressed. Here are a few videos it generated. Look at this one, and this one. Just look at the detailing. It's top-notch. All these results were created for free. The tool also has an exciting feature called AI Hug that can bring images to life. For example, this photo here becomes a video of a hug. You can also make them dance or even kiss. Let's test these features step by step. Text to video. I'll type "two friends are laughing in a classroom" in a prompt and generate a video. You can select any aspect ratio, like 9:16 or 16:9 based on your needs. It will take some time to generate, but it will provide us with the best possible quality. The result is impressive, no morphing, and it even got the hand details perfect. Now let's try a more complex prompt. An energetic influencer dancing joyfully in a cozy, well-lit bedroom with colorful decor and vibrant posters, creating a cheerful and lively atmosphere for AI influencer dancing. It will also take some time to generate, but it will provide us with the best possible quality. Image to video. I uploaded this image and tested the hug feature, and asked two men hugging each other. With the new prompt, the results improved significantly. The name of this tool is Vidul AI. It's incredibly user-friendly and free, but with certain limitations. You get 3 free credits per account. Here's how to use this tool. Unlimited free. Use temp mail to create multiple accounts quickly. Alternatively, use incognito mode with a VPN for unlimited access. To remove watermarks, search for Video Watermark Remover free. I recommend the tool by VMake, which maintains the video quality. Just drag in your video and it'll remove the watermark perfectly. So that's it for today's video. This AI tool is a game changer, and I hope you find it as exciting as I do. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to Grow with ESA, and share it with anyone who loves AI content. See you in the next one. If you want to grow sales, brand, store marketing, and marketplaces, then visit our website and get in touch with us. The website link of Ecom Scale Up Agency is in the description.